So similar to circle, the drawing an arc is the same format. It has a multiple option. I mean, you can use this the top-down menu, or you can just type arc, and that's bring the like basically the arc running the arc commands. But basically, it has a multiple way. For example, using the center, start, and end, using like a center, start, and angle. All those different like formats that depending on the time or the essence of the uh, challenge that you are facing, you can use them. For example, we're just gonna go with the simple one. So I'm gonna go with, like, for example, the start, center, and end. So for the start, I just communicate with this I just want to draw an arc all the way here. So it asks me to start point of the arc. I'm gonna start it from here. Then it asks me about the center. I exactly know the center will be somewhere here. And as you can see, when you combine it with different, like for example, the polar tracking system, so I can exactly draw an arc with, like, for example, 50-degree, and it's gonna be going along this side. So that's gonna be very powerful in many circumstances. Without knowing the size of the arc, or, like, for example, the length of the arc, I just easily can draw those things. So, and then the last piece it wants, it's just the end point of that arc. So I can just click here, and that's create the arc for me on that corner. Let me just change this one so it's. And so let's, for example, start it with 3-point. The 3-point start from one point here, then I will go for the second point, and then the third point going to be more freely to this side. So depending on the type of the arc that you want to draw, you can use many of these options in the arc command.